Sherman ISD is very proactive when it comes to safety and security for our staff and students. That's why we're very excited to bring you some new services we paid for over the years in-house. Please say hello to Jolene, our brand new police department canine. Jolene is a certified drug detection dog and can sniff out many kinds of illegal substances. She is also a powder detection dog, meaning she can detect the presence of possible firearms or ammunition. Her handler, Sherman ISD police officer Taylor Doty, has a background in canine handling in the Air Force. Doty and Jolene completed initial training together and are required to meet additional training requirements throughout the year to keep up their certifications. Jolene is replacing the contracted canine services Sherman ISD has used for years at the high school and middle schools to perform periodic campus sweeps. Having our own police conduct the searches allows them to occur more frequently and at a reduced cost. It's not all work for Jolene. She sure loves her tennis ball when she does a good job. Not only will Jolene improve the efficiency and effectiveness of our searches, but her ability to sniff out firearms and ammunition will be an added benefit and a safety measure for our staff and students.